I can't believe I'm saying this, but welcome to my new Airstream. I own 2 Airstreams right now, and I have a lot of explaining to do. So things have taken a turn. Let me just explain what's going on here. If you're new here, 2.5 years ago, I bought a 30-foot long gutted Airstream for $7,000, and me and my dad have been renovating it ever since. We really haven't gotten that far with it, and I finally decided to take it to a professional Airstream renovation company. So last week I got there with the intention to do the blue tape walkthrough of what we're gonna make the floor plan. So this is the first step of getting an Airstream all ready. We have to go over the layout and functionality. From there, I'll be getting an estimate, and then I can either sign the estimate and move forward with the whole project, or have cold feet and not do it. But I think I'm gonna do it. So in this, you have to think really long and hard about how everything's gonna work because it's such a small space.
It's about 3/4 of an inch off.
If I do that shower and it's smaller.
And you need a 3-inch wall because you need room inside the wall.
Well, could I do a closet right here and then the bathroom here? In doing so, something just didn't feel right. I was just having a really hard time picturing my life with this Airstream. And that's when Steven kind of half-heartedly joked to me, well, there's an Airstream that is for sale here that someone's trying to sell. It's 19 feet long. You might like that a lot better. And I asked him if I could seriously see it. And he was like, you're not being serious right now. No, let's keep working on your Airstream. And I was like, no, I seriously think I want to see that.
Needs to be gutted.
Okay. I think I like this better. I do.
Your dad'll be mad.
Hey, what's up?
So I'm thinking of abandoning Mighty Mo and instead doing a 19-foot trailer. What do you think of that?
It's more practical.
Yeah.
How would you abandon it though?
Well, I'm on my way to the bank to go get a cashier's check to buy this Airstream. This new Airstream, it's not owned by Steven. It's someone else that brought in their Airstream, thought maybe they wanted to have theirs renovated, and then didn't do that. So I called the owner of it yesterday and we agreed on a price. I'm gonna be buying it for $12,000. Of course, this lady is going out of town tomorrow for 30 days. I had to basically make a decision, like, am I gonna buy this thing tomorrow and be impulsive like I was on the first one, and I, totally understand that backfired for me, or am I going to wait 30 days and see how I feel, right? Should I wait a month, be responsible, and work on selling my old Airstream? Yeah, that's probably the right thing that I should do here. Is that what I'm gonna do? No. Because here's the thing that I was very, very afraid of. I was afraid if I wait a month and I do sell Mighty Mo, that I'm just gonna sell Mighty Mo and I'm gonna forget the Airstream idea, and then I'm just never gonna own an Airstream again, and that's gonna be it. I had to make sure I still had some skin in the game, and I know it's not responsible. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Sometimes I just don't make a lot of sense. I do feel a little bit anxious though, having not sold my other one yet. So today I'm gonna become the owner of 2 Airstreams. What is wrong with me? I've got the check. One thing I haven't mentioned a whole lot in this Airstream journey is my towing vehicle. Now, a huge thing with the bigger Airstream, I didn't even foresee the fact that I would need just a huge truck. Do I look like a huge truck owner? No, not really. So with this new 19-foot Caravel, I have so many more options in terms of towing vehicles. I also need to tow Mighty Mo today to a new location to go sell. I can't just let it sit at the Little House Trailers lot. So I am right outside of Tiki Motors. They are the coolest car dealership ever. I have a video with them where I went off-roading. I'm gonna have it linked below. They specialize in adventure car vehicles. They sell specialized cars. They can help you like trick out your car a little bit more. They're just a great resource for anyone in the Pacific Northwest that's looking to go off-roading or do what I'm doing with an Airstream, anything like that. They are also doing me a huge favor in letting me borrow a car today to figure out and help me learn how to tow. I want to show you my Airstream that
Please
I
do.
bought.
I'm excited to see it.
That's what it looks like.
Oh yeah, super cool.
From 1969.
Awesome.
Right now, it might be like just under 4,000 pounds.
Okay.
But once it's all redone, it'll probably be like 4,500 pounds.
Okay.
So I just don't even know, like online, it says my Porsche Macan could tow it, but could it actually?
So, you know, I think it could. A Porsche Macan is a really, really nice, luxurious SUV that is made to handle like its 911 cousin,
Yeah.
right? And a 911 is about as far away from a tow rig for that Caravelle as possible, right?
Yeah.
Now, again, can the Macan do it? Probably in a pinch.
Yeah.
Do you want to be putting the strain of of that trailer on a performance automobile consistently? I don't think so. Today, what we'll do is we'll look at a couple of vehicles, right?
Yeah.
Not only do you want to be able to take this small rolling abode with you, but you want to maybe even unhitch sometimes and be able to explore with the vehicle you have, and trying to capitalize on the right vehicle for towing
Yeah.
and for exploring once you get where you want to go is something that I personally think would be a great option. Those two right there are actually cool options. In fact, that white Summit is extremely luxurious, and so if for some reason somebody wanted to match the luxurious style of the Airstream, that white Summit would be great. You know, Toyota has a couple of offerings, right? A 4Runner also could do it, maybe a little bit better long term than a Wrangler. Motor would probably not get the greatest gas mileage and would need to get it would be a little strained.
This is a good looking car. I like this one.
You like this all black? Very
Yeah.
cool. Now, if somebody was going really crazy, you could also tow it with this.
Oh
if you
my,
just want to
wait,
make
you
sure you
could
run.
tow it with this?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. In fact, I towed a trailer with this just about a week ago. But yeah, if you wanted to, you know, have just a ton of room for a ton of people, you could have the trailer and this darn truck. And this thing is still relatively mobile. It's got a lift. It's got cool tires on it. It can get to a lot of places.
The whole squad's going camping
Yep.
in this thing.
Yep.
Oh, that's hilarious.
So after going over a lot of different cars, thinking about what you're going to do,
Yeah.
this is going to be a really great option, I think, for you to be able to get everything done, okay? 2021 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 AEV Bison Duramax. It's a mouthful,
Yeah.
but it's everything that I believe it would be best suited for somebody in your situation, right? Daily driver standpoint, the tow capacity, efficiency, fun to drive, adventurous capability once you get to that place that you want to camp out at, it really fits the bill.
Oh, cool. So we could do the off-roading like you showed me how to do.
Yeah. Pretty handsome, simple cabin, right? Obviously a little different than the Porsche Macan. From a driver control standpoint, right, there's nothing complicated here. There's no secret trick to towing other than simply not going any faster than you need to, right? Never going beyond your own limits, right? And then getting used to your situation. Just like anything else in your life or in mine, you'd be amazed what we get used to.
Yeah.
And after about an hour or so of driving, you just all of a sudden find yourself being a pro.
What do you think?
Oh man, I love this.
This thing tows up to 8,000 pounds. It has a brake exhaust thing to help save on the brakes basically. And it has the brake hookup as well.
Right.
Are you excited to see the new Airstream?
Yeah, I'm curious.
So today we're moving Mighty Mo and someone might buy it today.
Kind of tough to be a 2 Airstream owner.
It's a little stressful.
Yeah.
Well, here's the new one right here to the left. What do you think?
No, that's not it.
Yeah, it is.
That's so small.
I know.
I thought it was like this one over on the right.
No.
I'm shocked it's that small.
Really?
Yes.
But it's gonna be so much nicer.
There's a window missing. That's not it.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, look at that wood. That's nice looking cabinetry.
Yeah.
Really. 5, 6 inches.
Mighty Mo is officially for sale. She's listed for $15,000. If you're interested, I'll have some sort of link below where you can message
And
me.
we spent more than that on it.
We did.
Get wide out here. You got plenty of room. Watch your mirrors. Is it straightening out?
Is it? You definitely don't really feel like you're pulling something in this car though.
Right.
All right, Mighty Mo is officially parked. Goodbye. And now I present to you Mini Mo. Taking you guys on a quick tour here. You open up to your U-shaped dining space that also converts into a bed, how you see it It already came with cushions and everything. And still has this thing to make it a table. Got a couple windows, a sound system, some mold, a fan. And then if we flip over here, we've got the kitchen on either side here. So there's upper cabinets here to the left, sink, oven, stove, a little bit of storage space there. And then on this side, you've got your fridge, really open countertop, and more storage. You've got a closet. This thing just turned on. Wow.
You don't even need us. They are all burning.
It works. And then the bathroom. Now the bathroom is the one con of this Airstream. It is a lot smaller than I originally intended, but to not have to haul 10 more feet, yeah, it's gonna be worth it. Also back here is just like a desk space. I don't think it makes that much sense, so we're gonna be converting it into a bed back here. What do you think of it?
Yeah, it's got some cool features. You know, that kind of maple looking wood is really in good shape. I kind of like it.
What sold me on it was like, you can literally get everything our current Airstream has, but just more compacted.
Yeah, but like he said, you know, you really have to, when this old, take all the walls off, all new insulation, get it cleaned up.
Are you sad about Mighty Mo? What do you think?
No, it's just such a Herculean beast.
Herculean beast.
It's kind of nice to let somebody else, maybe somebody else will have better luck. We got it part way into the restoration process.
Yeah.
Look at this, even has screens on it still.
Yeah, it's funny.
Or somebody, you know.
I'm gonna take it camping. But next week, we're starting the gutting process, and I'm of course gonna take you guys along with. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys don't hate me. I'm seriously so nervous. I'm really happy for myself in coming to this decision that Mighty Mo just wasn't best for me, and Mini Mo just feels so much better. So thank you guys so much for watching. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm gonna have content up on there too, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.